guys, BX Brix back with another LEGO Transformer review, and today we are continuing with our LEGO Transformer Targetmasters with Misfire. Let's check it out. We have Misfire. Let me center that out a little bit. And he is paired with the Targetmaster Broadside. Yes. So I think this came out pretty good. I know Misfire is supposed to be more of like a magenta kind of color, but some of these parts, like the little tail fins in the back right there, you're not going to find that in magenta. So I just went with the closest color of red. Alright, so let's see, we're going to zoom out a little bit. Apologize if you guys hear the rain in the background. So here we have Misfire. Let's take Broadside off right there. And checking out Misfire in vehicle mode, it's pretty cool. You got the dark blue as the cockpit right there. This part's only really black because Misfire's feet are actually black. Under it, you can pretty much see how everything works for the most part. Tons of robot kibbles and stuff down there. So we are going to just get straight into transformation. Zoom out a little bit so we can see what's going on. We're going to take this part, much like I did with Slug Slinger. And flip the feet out like that. And then just like before, we're going to slide these 1x2s up. Like so. Sure, those are nice. And you can move up the little knee guards right there. And perfect. Yeah, this guy's pretty simple. We're just going to take this whole area. Sure you guys can see, and bring it down on these robot arms right there, and just bring it along the back. The wings you could kind of fold up a little bit, ever so slightly, just to give it a cool angle. You could begin posing the arms up any way you like. Do the little waist gimmick that I do so well. Get everything nice and aligned. And then you pull out his head right here. And there you have Misfire. Nice. Way better feet design than most of my previous Transformers. I like this because it kind of covers up the back a little bit. I might try to incorporate this into like my secret design at some point. So let me get them nice and center for you guys. So we'll do a little spin, check them out from all angles. Looks pretty cool. Up a little too close there to the back. I don't see how if this thing's a perfect circle, but you know. So looks really good. And just like before, with this guy Broadside, you kind of have to put the gun in the Triggermaster's hand because that would be the only point of attachment, the stud right there. So you stick that onto his chest like so, and then Misfire can hold Broadside like so. Just standing up straight and focus. There you go. So once again, the Targetmaster looks really good in size comparison with the Transformer wielding him. And of course, for size comparisons, we still have my man Skywarp hanging out. He'll probably be my go-to for now since he was kind of like the star at Brick Fair. And as you can see, they're pretty much the same height. You know, Misfire might be just a tad bit taller. Maybe just a wee bit. But they're all generally deluxe scale, which I love so much. So, I guess I'll show off Broadside. Let's get this guy out of there. And here we have Broadside, looking pretty cool. I know the barrels is kind of supposed to be blue, but these were like one of the last minute builds before Brick Fair. So, to transform Broadside, once again, I mean, typically we'll leave that there in robot mode. You could fold out his arms, fold out his little legs right here. Oh, these are extra tight new pieces. Ah. Oh, I was trying to bend it at the wrong place. It's not like I designed this or something, right? Then we rotate that there. Straighten them out. Probably separate the legs a little bit. And there we have Broadside. Nice. And then, of course, the handle could also become his gun. Just like the other ones. I really like these pieces with the clips right here. Those one by ones with the bar on it. Wait, focus. There you go. These are pretty cool. They come out in they came out in a few colors. They got black, white, gold, and like a reddish brown. And I think as of recently, probably with the Voltron set, they might have popped a few of these out in light gray. So that'll be real cool. I definitely want to see these in more colors, you know, specifically for builds like this where I need like the whole arm to be blue or something like that, or the whole leg to be gray. So I built about maybe 4 of these guys for Brick Fair, and I had to really be creative to differentiate them so I know who went with who and, you know, not mistake them for anybody else. So that's his little backpack on the back. You know, these Travis bricks, they work wonders. But all the same articulation with the knees and such. You know, little fake elbow bend right there. Head tilting if you need to. Well, not tilting, but turns 360. Yeah, and that's that for this guy. So, yeah, I'll just set him down. Right there. Why, this rain is really loud. And focus. I just updated the software in my camera, so I'm trying to, this is the first video with the updated software. I'm still trying to get an idea of how all this works with the focusing and stuff, using different apps now. So this is BX Brix, thanking you guys once again for liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting. Once again, if you guys want to pick up your instructions for Misfire or Broadside, make sure you swing by brixmediastudios.com. We have a ton more reviews coming up, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.